I know I'm looking weird. I have my foundation on my face. So I finally got the replacement for my brush, because remember I told you guys that my brush fell apart while I was in Florida, and I was extremely disappointed because this is one of my favorite brushes. So again, I'll be testing this out again. This is my first time using it on camera. Oh no, my first time using it in general. So as usual, it's moving around the foundation as a brush would. So I don't have to go in depth with reviewing this foundation brush. I just need to use it for the next couple of weeks and see how it holds up. And that's the thing about quality as well. When something is of quality, it will last. It may not last a really long time, but it should last longer than like 3 uses, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so the foundation I'm using is Perfect Spice, and it's from Sasha Cosmetics. It's from Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica, and it is lighter than me. Are you seeing this? I normally match my foundation to here because my neck is dark anyway, but I don't know what's going on. Maybe because whenever somebody says that there are 2 different colors for like foundation and stuff, I'm like, okay. I never understood it, and that's because I live in Jamaica, so we don't really have seasons like that, you know, like winter, you know what I mean? Like it's basically summer all year round, you know what I mean, in terms of like the temperature. So my face has obviously gotten darker, maybe because it's summer and it's warmer out. I do not know, but this is definitely one of my favorite brushes, and I have a new brush that I'm going to introduce you guys to. So my face is looking hella not my color, which is okay. We're gonna make it work. And I guess I can show you guys. Let me tell you what I'm going to do, because I probably won't be recording that step. So whenever you find your foundation to be like this, too light, all you need, oh, it's not that bad, but all you need to do is low light the crap out of your face, right? So you need to, by low light I mean like contour. So you can go in with a highlight color if you want to, or you don't have to. You can just conceal because the foundation is already light. So you go in with a darker color, and for that I'll be using my Fenty Beauty Espresso right here. Am I the only one who did not buy the Moroccan Spice palette? And it's not because of Jackie Anna's review. It's like from the jump, I was like, oh my gosh, okay, I have to get 1 and 2. And then I kept on looking at the palette, and I'm like, I don't know if I would personally use it. You know what I mean? I mean, I would definitely buy it for my kit, but for me as a person, I don't think I would use it just because it not jump out to me, you know what I mean? Like, I love colors, you know, and you guys may not know this, but I love Rihanna. Like, I would love to meet her. So, and I'd definitely purchase only to support her. But in terms of functionality, I wouldn't get this espresso I told you guys about. I wouldn't be bothered with it at all. But yeah, I'm still going to get one for my kit though, definitely. Like, that's a perfect, to me, that's a perfect kit palette. And because I do mostly bridal makeup as well, that's perfect. Bridal makeup, bridesmaids. I know for some reason for this season I'm doing grad makeup, and it's mostly for my friends though, but I didn't even usually do grad makeup. I don't like to do graduation makeup. I don't. Okay, so that's espresso. And the new brush. So remember, I had this brush, right? And I said I hate the fan brush. It just looks cheap. Look at that. You see how it's cut? You see that? It looks cheap. It's very wonky. It's not. It should be thick. It should be thick as shit. You know what I'm saying? But it's not. It's really flimsy. So I really do not want to keep this brush. Instead, we're gonna do this brush, and this has a white handle because it's a sample brush that I'm testing out, and I couldn't bother pay. Okay, whenever you're doing your own business and stuff, you pay for samples, and for me generally the samples are more expensive than the product itself. So I sell one brush set for like $50. I'm paying for the sample well over $100 just for the sample of one set. Yeah. Sharon? But this is the brush. This won't be the shape. This will be the shape. Yeah? But what you guys think about this shape? This shape is pretty cool, huh? Maybe for the next brush line. But this is going to be the shape. So picture this with this shape and this color handle. This looks so much better in my... And there's one that we had that was... This one that we have from the other brush line is similar, but this is I don't know, it's domed, so it feels fluffier because it's domed, and the bristles feel like it's tightly packed. Sorry, let me get this to focus. Yeah, the bristles feel like it's packed tightly. It's packed way more tighter than that one. That's what it feels like. But so I'm going to start out blending from on top here. Let's see how that works. Not bad. Not bad at all. So this is suede, again from Fenty Beauty, and I'm using suede because suede is one, extremely easy to blend, and two, I'm going to be using a sponge, a beauty blender, and whatever sponge tool you use is going to soak up some color, so it won't be as bam in your face as a highlight. It'll be more of a natural highlight. I feel like for Fenty Beauty, like she knocked these completely out of the park. But as I said, I will be getting the Moroccan Spice palette, and who knows, I might get one for me or one for my cake, depends, because I really just want to purchase to support her. But I've just been, I don't want to, alright, I've been consumed with other things. I'm going to use my beauty blender. Like my money has been going just into the business, into the business, into the business. It's like I can't even get anything personally for me anymore, and that makes me feel kind of weird, because I feel like as a trend comes out, I need to hop on it, being an influencer, so that I stay current, you know. But I guess I'm one of those influencers who don't really have it like that, and remaining current is gonna rely a lot on my budget. And yeah, I'm not really knocking anybody who can afford to stay current. I mean, you know, you do what you do, bubble. But yeah, I'm just not one of those, and I'm getting comfortable. I'm relaxing, knowing that, alright then, listen, you may not have it every single time, but girl, just put the work in, because there will be other launches, and the other launches tend to be better than the first, second, and third. It just depends on your preference. But for the brand, we make things so that it will be better than what we did before. You know what I mean? We're always trying to one up ourselves. So in that regard, yeah. Right, I was talking earlier on, I don't know if I said it on here on camera, but I was going into me, ooh, what am I going to use to do my low light? I don't have a low lighting brush. Shoot, wonder if I should add this as an 11th brush. I'm not, because I really don't like that brush. Alright, what I'm going to do, you know what I'm going to do? So that I'm only using this brush set and nothing else, and hopefully you guys can learn something as well, or just pick some stuff up along the way. I'm going to set with my Buttercup from Sasha Cosmetics, and I'm just using the beauty blender, sitting under here. Right, whenever so I've gained weight, well, I'm on my period now, and whenever I'm on my period, it's like my body just doesn't do what I want it to do. So I'm waiting to see a week from now what my body is going to look like. But and I'm going to discuss on my vlog channel. I just got so disappointed in myself yesterday. I'm going to discuss it on my vlog channel though. But anyway, so whenever I'm doing my contouring, and I notice that I, like in this area, I tend to go up, like a V going up, but not all the way up, just up this way, and it makes my face slimmer, obviously, because I'm creating that illusion, you know what I mean? So if it is that you've gained weight, contouring is your best friend. So on camera I look slim, but in person I'm like a beach whale. I'm joking, but I've been told in person that I look slimmer in person than I do on camera, and I'm like, you guys, I have so much videos to film today. Well, am I gonna do it today or tomorrow? Well, I have 3 videos I need to film today. This is Perfect Spice from Sasha Cosmetics. I've been using the same beauty blender but on the other side, and I'm going to set everywhere else. For this tutorial, it's in sponsored by Sasha Cosmetics Jamaica, and I'm thanking them for sponsoring this video, and I'll be working with them long term. So whatever new stuff they have, if it's available here in Jamaica, you will definitely be seeing it on my channel, on my Instagram. Oh my gosh. So I leave for the, but when you guys are seeing this, I'm not available. As in, I'm not available for filming. I'm out of town. I'm not home. So I'm just thinking about the Wi-Fi. Am I going to have Wi-Fi so I could upload these videos? You know what I mean? Like, because the legacy must live on, and I wasn't able to film. Oh my gosh, guys, there's so much happening. There's so much happening in my life. So much going on. So I'm just going to go ahead and do my eye makeup, and I'm going to do it really quickly. I mean, there's not much to see here, but I know you guys love my no steps skipped tutorials. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to just continue recording. Meanwhile, I'm going to be watching Nailed It on Netflix because this show is boss. Okay.
You got them decorated. Like, I'm really glad that you improvised.
God bless. I'm somebody else when I'm back. Nothing too serious. Yeah. Me, I go look for you until you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like KIBBA. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees to reach the border. You are the now, you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. So you like tell people lie. If you can't accommodate evil guy, it easier for you see a vehicle fly or see a camel go through the eagle eye. I know the youths are the future, so build them. No matter, try sell them, you build them. And you are, call yourself Michael Jackson. Hope you're not touch no little children. Me I go look for you until you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like KIBBA. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees to reach the border. You are the now, you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. Don't do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Bleach out your face like you don't want that skin there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Your body is a temple, the Lord will live in there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. You can't be a star and go star in another film there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Like you go do man.
I made a huge blunder. So this should have been my powder brush and this my foundation brush. So we'll see. So I'm using the side of my powder brush as my low lighting. See that? No, and let's at the side. Now this comes from me just doing makeup for years and knowing knowing how to make work, you know what I'm saying, because I've left stuff and I've used up stuff and don't realize, and I just have to think on the spot. But notice, however, I'm taking my low light up, but I didn't take my highlight all the way up. You know what I mean? I have no idea why I'm doing that. Guess I'm watching too much RuPaul's Drag Race. And whatever's left on the brush, I'm going to go down the side of my nose. Where is it? There. Go down the side of my nose. Then I'm going to take it here, everywhere where I would usually normally low light.
Like the Christmas light, the snow in the yard, and the Christmas tree. That's no explanation. So they have to really look.
Thing there, can't do that thing there. Fruit of the spirit, you feel be up on the limb there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. No accept no evil, that you feel a fling with. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Call yourself devil hell, you don't want to live in there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. You no go a hell for the sin there. Me I go look for you until you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like KIBBA. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees to reach the border. You are the now, you know hold no water.
Alright, so for my lips, I'll be going in with Bounce on it, and it's from Sasha Cosmetics. It's their Intense Matte Lip Velvet. Alright, so this is the finished look, and again I'm going Bounce on it on the lips. My Sasha Cosmetics foundation, powder, and the eyes. Yes, honey, these are my fashionista lashes from my lash line. And yeah, they're sold out. They've been sold out now, like from Memphis. But yeah, this is it for the tutorial, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The main reason was to introduce you guys to these two. So this is the replacement that I'll be testing out for the next couple of months or weeks, and then this is the new bad boys that I'll be testing out. I'm just so in love with these two. These are, where is it? These are my favorite brushes from the these three. This one used to be, but I do not like this anymore because look at how it frayed. You see that? So it's puffy. It's more like a low lighting brush and not a highlighting brush. I think for this brush line, I think because I don't think, I'm not gonna say I know what I'm doing, but I know what I'm looking for, and this is not it. So if I keep this brush, it would definitely be for low lighting, and that would be the reason for it. But you know, you can use it for whatever. And then get another brush for highlight. The struggle is real. I don't know when these brushes will be finished. This might sound long, but hopefully for Christmas, and that might sound like a long wait, but to make the volume that we want to make and the quality that we want to bring you guys, it's gonna take some time, so please be patient with me. But as for now, the KIBBA brush line will be coming to you hopefully by Christmas. I hope, because these are gonna take some testing, and I need to get but I need to test out another brush for it to do what I want it to do, you know. But it's still just sprayed out. I mean, it's perfect for this, but not for this, you know what I mean? For me anyway, from my personal preference or taste or whatever. But this is it for the tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you do, please go ahead and shoot me a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video.
I know that you've been hurt before, even by dudes in church before. I'm not Christ, but I'm gonna try to make sure you don't hurt no more. Might sound like something you've heard before, but I'm certain you're no fool. And if you want me to stop talking, I'll make your ears eat grass like her before.